What's up mga fam? You're listening to Campus Voice, where school stories matter. I am your host, Gabsky, the layout artist of the online publishing group. For this segment, we are here together with the sports writer of the online publishing group. Let's all welcome Jose Padilla. So hello again, Jose. What do you feel right now?
First of all, thank you for having me on today's segment, Mr. Gavsky. As of right now, I feel a little bit nervous and excited at the same time.
Okay, so Jose, ano ba yung mga proseso or what are the steps na ginawa mo at ng inyong kakampi or ng team para maging preparado sa paparating na DSSPC 2026?
Una sa lahat, nagplano muna kami bilang isang team. We practice regularly at ginamit namin yung feedback na galing sa aming coaches, advisors at mga teammates para i-improve pa ang aming performance.
Okay, Jose, for our last question, what are your expectations here at DSSPC 2026?
For me, my expectations for this year's DSSPC 2026 is a challenging yet rewarding competition that will help us improve our skill, teamwork, and confidence as a team.
Alright, so thank you so much, Jose, for that wonderful message. Do you have a message for our fans who are watching right now?
I would like to thank you for having me in today's segment on Campus Voices. And I would like to thank you, Mr. Gatsby, also for having me here.
Thank you so much. Alright, now that we've heard the message of our sports writer, I hope we can inspire other students to join journalism because as what Jose mentioned, it teaches us skill, teamwork, and confidence. That's all for our segment on Campus Voices. Thank you and goodbye.